Hi everyone, I am Sheetal Jain and I am from Agra, Uttar Pradesh, and I am doing my artificial intelligence and machine learning research course from Novel Transformation Hub. Before I joined this institute, I had been studying artificial intelligence in a wrong way. I never thought that artificial intelligence can be seen the way I am looking at artificial intelligence right now. The 360-degree view, the panoramic view of artificial intelligence and its aspect is helping me in understanding artificial intelligence in very detailed manner. I never thought that I shall be going into the depth and breadth of AI in such a way. And for this, I would like to give a great thanks to Dr. Arya. And I would like to rate Novel Transformation Hub 10 out of 10. Every session that I have taken till now has added a value in me. Every session has made some improvement in my learning. I would like to give a great thank to entire team of Novel Transformation Hub and to Dr. Arya for teaching me in such a great way. Thank you, sir.